This is Dr. UT. Now today we are going to explain in this problem. Find the equation of the tangent at the point 30 degrees of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 39 equals to 0. Okay, now find out the equation of the tangent at this point at the point 30 degrees of the given circle is. First of all, find out g, f and r. Comparing the given circle equation, standard circle equation. 2g equals to 4, then g equals to 2. And 2f equals to 6, then f equals to 3. R equals to formula root of g square plus f square minus c. So 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 minus c means minus 39. That is root 52. 2 into here root 13 into 4, 2 root 13. Next, that required equation is x plus 2 cos 30 degrees plus y plus 3 sin 30 degrees equals to r. R means 2 root 13. Therefore, x plus 2 cos 30 degrees means root 3 by 2 plus y plus 3 sin 30 degrees means 1 by 2 equals to 2 root 3. Then root 3x by 2 plus 2 root 3. Here simplify this. Root 3x plus 2 root 3 by 2 plus y plus 3 by 2 plus y plus 3 by 2 equals to 2 root 13. Okay, then go to simplify. We'll get LCM here. Root 3x plus 2 root 3 plus y plus 3. LCMs are same, therefore 2 root 13. Here multiplicating 4 root 13. Then root 3x plus y, root 3x plus y, 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 to the 4 root 13 equals to 0. Finally we'll get to write root 3x plus y plus 3 minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2 root 13 equals to 0. Hence required equation. Okay, thank you.